QD Series Double Girder Overhead Crane with Open Winch Trolley. Powerful, flexible, and reliable for heavy loads. The QD Series Double Girder Overhead Crane with Open Winch Trolley is a heavy-duty crane designed to handle large and heavy loads across a wide range of industries. Available in various working classes, such as a 5, a 6, a 7, and a 8. The crane is tailored to suit different operational needs based on working frequency and duty cycle. Key features and specifications. Lifting capacity, 5 to 500 tons, ideal for lifting heavy loads in demanding applications. Span length, 10.5 to 31.5 meters, offering flexibility for various facility sizes. Lifting height, 6 to 30 meters, adaptable to different height requirements. Working class, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 8, ensuring reliability for a range of operational intensities. Ambient temperature, suitable for use in environments from 20°C to 40°C. Hot sail capacities, 5 tons, 10 tons, 16.3, 2 tons dual hook, 25 tons dual hook, 30 to 5 tons dual hook, 50 tenths tons dual hook, 75 20th tons dual hook, 100 20th tons dual hook. Adaptable to various load handling needs. The QD Double Girder Crane is highly customizable to meet the specific lifting requirements of different industries. Advantages: durability and performance. Built from high-quality carbon steel, the QD heavy-duty crane is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. The reinforced main girder and heat-treated wheels ensure reliable performance even under heavy loads, reducing maintenance and extending service life. The crane's heavy-duty trolley ensures smooth, precise movement, ideal for accurate and safe lifting operations. Versatile control options. The QD Double Girder Crane offers a range of control options, including pendant, remote, and cabin control. These flexible control systems allow you to choose the most convenient operation method for your lifting tasks. The cabin can be installed on either side of the crane, with options for side or end surface entry to accommodate different workspace layouts. It can be equipped with a variety of hook devices, including slings, C-hook, clamp, magnetic chuck, magnetic beam spreader, grab bucket, customized spreader, etc. Customizable hook attachments for your QD crane. The QD crane can be customized with a variety of attachments to handle different materials and lift loads efficiently. or scrap. Customized spreaders, tailored to lift specific items in your facility, providing flexibility for unique lifting needs. These attachments help make the QD crane more versatile, allowing you to handle both heavy and lighter loads with ease. Get your customized QD crane design. The QD heavy-duty crane can be fully customized to meet your specific lifting requirements. Contact us today for a customized design tailored to your operational needs.